All right, so now we've added level ups and we've made it obvious that we're leveling up, but now we want to make the game harder as we level up. So we can do it by either slowing the cat down in his movement or making the heart go faster as we level up. I think I would like to make the heart go faster. So what I'm going to do over here is, you can see that change x by minus 15 is how you make the heart go faster. Although I am going to say these repeat 32s are also going to affect the way the heart goes through. It can have a little stall out at the end by doing that. So we're going to have to watch that a little bit. But variables, we're going to create a new variable. I'm going to call it speed. And I'm going to make this for this sprite only, because only the heart is going to be affected by this speed. I'm going to initialize it. So I'm going to set, nope, doesn't go there. I'm putting this all on this one. I didn't create a new block for it, which I can, but I just chose not to do it this time. We can create an initialization block. You can do it either way. It's cleaner doing an initialization block, so you don't have one really long block. So if you ever need to make changes, it's easier to find your stuff. This is going to be minus 15, and then under variables you'll go find your speed and you'll put it there. So right now nothing's changed. We're just having our speed be 15, minus 15 using a variable. All right, so the next thing you want to do is, when I receive my level up, I want to change the value of my speed. So down here, change speed, we want to make it a little faster. So we want to change speed by a positive number. So we want to do 2. And one thing to realize is, until either we need to have it a timer in here, or we need it to stop before it gets to a certain number of points or a level, or the speed will get to negative and it's going to reverse directions. That's something to note, or you're going to have to put code in here to account for that. Actually, I wanted to keep that negative. I'm going to slow it down. That's what I'm going to end up doing. And I want to just speed it up. So, yeah, I just slowed it down. I actually do want that to be minus 2. My bad. Try again. Because I want it to go faster. I don't want to slow it down. So I want to add to it. So I wanted that to be minus 2. So we're all good. I think I want it to go faster than 2 at a time, because I don't think this is a noticeable speed up yet. Yeah, it's not a noticeable speed up. I want it to go faster. Let's do minus 5. There we go. That's a little more noticeable. But you notice it's starting to pause there at the end a little bit. So, our point, all right, so to try and fix the pause at the end, what we can do, so we don't have to worry about the repeats, something we can try. And this is something I'm just testing, so it may not work. Move out of the way for a second. Let's see if I don't want if touching. Let's see. Yeah, that won't work on the other side. Can't do if touching edge, because if it's touching the right edge, I don't want it to do that. We'll see what happens if I do it. I'm not sure I'm going to like it, but we'll try. Touching edge. Hide. Then if I wait, 0.2, and then show well, let's see what happens. It may not work. No, it's not going to work. Nope, that won't work. I was afraid of that. Nope. Let me try with an if else. See if I do it with an if else, if that'll work. Ah. There we go. Oh. It's a longer delay sometimes. Really long delay sometimes. Oops. Makes the game a lot harder. We have to play with this some other ways to do it. Does make it a little more random. Okay, well, that's one way that'll kind of fix the little pause at the end without having to play around with the repeats. Okay.